It's fall, y'all. And you know I'm in the Dollar Tree. Gotta get some stuff. So let's shop. Look at that stuff. That's cute. Look at these. Hold on. I want this. Because you know pumpkins on my thing. That's cute. I got two of these. I like that. But I like this for the kitchen. What is this right here? I think they were trying to hide this from me.
You should have got a buggy.
I sure did. Let me move him out of the way because I'm not interested.
Are you satisfied? Oh, okay, still good.
Cute.
Where are you gonna put all this stuff?
Everything says blessed.
Just like her shirt.
Blessed. I like these.
You ain't on no farmhouse.
No, I'm not. But I could do something like this. I think I
Grand
can.
Family Fall or something.
Yes.
Alright, we're checking out, I think, unless she sees something else.
Right.
Okay, so now we're headed to this section. Wait till she looks over here.
So now I gotta make some pumpkin muffins.
Come to your stop.
Just have a pumpkin. You didn't. Okay. So I went overboard. That's okay. Okay? Hey y'all, so it's time for the haul, and that total cost of the haul was $28.25. So the first item was this wreath. I thought was really super cute because it has all those sunflowers on it that I like to have as part of my decor for fall. And it had a nice little hook on back. You see where I'm showing you the hook. And it was all $5. It's on like what looked like maybe a grapevine wreath. But it's small, it's cute, I like it. Then this next one was this 3 acorn tabletop decoration that I think I'm going to do a craft with, a DIY with. So be looking on the lookout for that video. The next thing is a tabletop decoration as well that just says fall, that I think will go well in my kitchen because it has that that brushed or that metal look on it, as well as the acorn. Then these pumpkins, I thought that was really cute, the garland that I could hang on the fireplace. And I like the texture of the pumpkins. It's kind of soft, feels like some kind of brushed fabric. And then the raffia ribbon that is, twine that's holding it together. Then I like this one because it had blessed on it, and I like being blessed, and I like blessing other folks, and it's going to hang up well in my kitchen. It has a nice hook on it. It was only $5. this is a good cost, I think, for an item such as this. It was good and sturdy. It has nice pieces on it. I liked it. Now here's another item that is in the theme of blessings and sunflowers. I really like this piece. I'm not real sure what I'm going to do with it, but I'll probably put a wire on it and hang it somewhere. I think it's really cute for $5. And the final item is my muffin cups, my baking cups. This says Hello Pumpkin, and I'm going to do some pumpkin cupcakes, I think, in this. So that's the haul, y'all. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm glad that you dealt with me with my cold voice. I'm getting better, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all be blessed. Bye.